Imagine starting a YouTube channel and getting millions of views like these channels. If you only have 30 minutes to an hour a day, you can easily create professional Vox-style and historical documentary videos using this method. These videos are going viral right now, and I'll show you exactly how to make them. Today, we're going to create documentary-style videos that are going viral on YouTube. Let me show you a few channels that are getting millions of views with this style of content, and the best part is, you can create similar videos in just a few minutes. Yes, we're going to create a complete documentary video. You won't have to waste time editing or doing everything manually. First, let's look at some examples. This channel, beginning to now, has videos with over 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, and even 9 million views. The channel is still uploading regularly and is estimated to earn around $3.3K per month. Here's another channel with 1.112 million subscribers. Its estimated monthly income is around $5.5K, which is impressive. As you can see, the views on this channel are also very strong. Documentary-style videos are becoming extremely popular, and you can create the same type of content yourself. In this complete tutorial, I'll show you the entire workflow from start to finish. The best part is that you don't have to spend hours editing videos. Everything can be done much faster with AI, making the entire process simple and efficient. In this complete course, I'll show you how to use this website to create documentary videos, explainer videos, educational videos, vlog-style videos, animated maps, and much more. You can create almost any style of video you want by using this workflow. So, let's get started. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's begin. Before we get started, let me tell you what we're going to do in this video. Today, we're going to use Higgsfield AI and connect its MCP with Claude. I'll show you exactly how to connect it step by step, so don't worry, I'll explain everything. The biggest advantage of this workflow is that you don't have to edit everything manually anymore. Instead of clicking on every option one by one, you just need to write a prompt and follow a few simple steps. Within a short time, your entire video, including the script, voiceover, visuals, and final edit, will be created automatically, saving you a lot of time. Vox-style videos are becoming extremely popular and getting millions of views. In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to create professional Vox-style videos using Higgsfield AI from start to finish. Alright guys. First of all, open the Higgsfield website. Then, click on MCP. Once you click it, just copy the link you see here. After that, click Start Creating. Now, sign in with your email address. Once you log in, you'll see a screen like this. Click on Customize, then go to Connectors. Click Add and paste the connector link here. After that, connect it to Claude, GPT, or Hermes. As you can see, it is now connected successfully. If you ever want to check it again, simply click the plus icon and you'll be able to confirm that the connector is connected. Now, all you have to do is type this prompt, I want to create a Vox-style video. I want a 2-minute explainer video on a historical topic that people are curious about right now. Do a conversation with me. That's it. Claude will automatically start guiding you through the workflow. Next, it will ask whether you want it to suggest some trending topics. Just click Suggest Trending Topics. I don't want only the script. I want the complete video, so I'll choose the option to generate the full video. After a few moments, Claude will analyze everything and suggest 4 trending topics. As you can see, I have 4 topics here. I'll choose the third one because I like it the most. I'll copy that topic and paste it here. After I paste it, within a few seconds, you'll see this screen appear. I'll simply click on it and Claude will automatically continue the process. It will generate the complete script for the video. Once the script is ready, just follow the instructions. After that, type this prompt, use Higgsfield now. Create the video and voice. That's all you need to write. As soon as you submit it, Higgsfield will start generating everything automatically. Whenever you see the Allow button, make sure to click Allow. Next, it will ask you which style you want to use. I'll select mixed media since it's perfect for Vox-style videos. Then I'll choose Faceless and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. After that, Higgsfield will begin creating the entire project automatically. It's an amazing website. Just keep clicking Allow whenever it asks. It won't take very long. As you can see, all the video scenes are now being generated. After a short wait, all the scenes will be completed. Now the voice generation option appears automatically. You'll see many different AI voices here. You can choose whichever voice you like. I'll select Aether because it sounds really good. There are many more voices available if you click Load More. Once I select the voice and click Allow, Higgsfield will automatically start generating the voiceover. After a short time, the audio will be ready. As you can see, all the audio clips have now been generated. However, there's one thing I want. I don't want separate clips because that takes extra time. I want everything combined into one final video automatically. So I'll simply use this prompt. Now combine all the video clips into one seamless final video. Synchronize and merge both the audio and video perfectly. Adjust the timing, transitions, pacing, shot flow, background music, and visual effects. Create a highly professional cinematic final edit. This is the only prompt you need. Once you send it, Higgsfield will quickly combine everything together. After a short while, as you can see, my complete 2-minute video is ready. It includes synchronized audio, video, transitions, and background music. The final result looks amazing. You can also preview the video here, and if you want, simply click Download to save it. So that's how you can use Higgsfield to create amazing AI videos from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with more amazing AI tutorials.
A bill needs 60 votes to pass the Senate. Not 51, 60. That number isn't written anywhere in the Constitution. 1806, the Senate cleaned up its rulebook. Vice President Aaron Burr said one rule was redundant, so they deleted it. That rule let a simple majority force a vote. Without it, senators could suddenly debate forever. Nobody meant to invent the filibuster. For decades, almost no one used it. Talking a bill to death was seen as bad manners, not a real strategy. Took until the 1850s for the tactic to even get a name. Filibuster, borrowed from a word for pirates. By World War I, obstruction was hijacking government itself. A handful of senators blocked arming merchant ships against German submarines. President Woodrow Wilson was furious, calling them a little group of willful men. The public burned senators in effigy. So in 1917, the Senate built an off switch called cloture. 2/3 of senators could now vote to end debate.